In Dawki's embrace, where dreams take flight, where Ingot's water shimmers bright, a land of beauty, serene and fair, where nature's grace perfumes the air. In Dawki's realm, where rivers gleam, nature's canvas, a poet's dream, with water clear as morning dew, and hills that wear a verdant hue. Beneath the azure skies' gentle gaze, Dawki unfolds in a tranquil haze, with hills that whisper ancient tales and mist-kissed valleys that never fails. Beneath the sky so vast and blue, Dawki's charm comes shining through. A bridge suspended, a sight to see, connecting worlds with grace and glee. In Dawki's heart, where echoes sing of nature's hymns in every springs, where laughter floats upon the breeze and whispers secrets through the trees. In Dawki's arm, where time stands still, moments of peace, our hearts fulfilled, with every step a story told of beauty pure in green and gold. So come unfold this wondrous place where nature weaves its gentle grace. In Dawki's embrace, let spirit soar and find its beauty forever, more, and more.